Monday and I just woke up. No, actually I woke up a few hours ago, but I was too lazy and I lay in the bed all the time. And the reason for my being lazy is when I opened the window, I saw this. So it has been snowing all night. It has snowed yesterday a lot. We went out for a walk and everything, but now the landscape is this. This place you see is a sidewalk and it's all covered right now. The thing I do like here is when I wake up, I have to apply the lip butter because the lips and the skin dries out a lot here. But skin is fine, but the lips especially, they dry out a lot, so I use that. That's the first thing I do. And then of course I make the bed, and actually I don't make the bed, my friend does, so we just do that together. And that's it, let's get to it. Yeah, so now that the bed is done, we'll get to our next work. I'll just go finish up my all regular work, daily work, and then we'll get started with the day. While I get done with my work, you guys enjoy today's view. So finally, I'm done with all my daily का work. And अभी we are waiting for breakfast, जो कि usually हम ऊपर जाते हैं खाने, but आज snow देख के we got too lazy and got late. So the food is coming here in some time. So the breakfast is done. The sun is out. It feels lovely, but again, it's unpredictable. But anyways, we'll get ahead with the day and office का काम शुरू. But देखो इन्हें. Hello. ठीक है, तो हम लोग काम कर रहे थे and then we got distracted by this person. Hi.
हेलो।
और यहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है?
कुछ नहीं,
Fog? No, it's not fog. Fog चला भी है? कहाँ गया? Hey guys, so finally we're done with work. Actually not done, but it's a break since it's the evening, and just chilling out here, and we have someone who's come here for help.
Hey, yeah, I have come for help and I don't know, where to go, and these are my go-to person. And that's where I really started this journey of, putting something for the first time as a reel on Insta on my own page. So some people are trying to help me out, some are making some JBL sound noises. But yeah, it's overall an interesting environment with a room heater on, and we are experiencing good snow outside. Do I need to speak a little more or it's okay?
That's fine.
Thank
We'll
you.
do.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So us forever sunset lovers are in a rush because we want to watch the colors of the sunset. तो ऊपर सनसेट वगैरह देखना हो गया एंड चाय बन रही है हमारे लिए एंड नाउ वी आर गेटिंग रेडी बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू गो टू रंगरी, राइट? वी आर गोइंग टू गो टू रंगरी एंड कुछ सामान लेके आएंगे, जैसे कि हमारे पास अपना टूथपेस्ट भी नहीं है, उधारी से चल रहे हैं हम लोग. सो स्ट्रगल इज रियल. A day in my life काफी happening हो गया. Now we are walking uphill because गाड़ी got stuck. And अभी हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं. So we are back after the very happening events.
Yeah, it was really tough terrain to drive, but I'm very happy that I had two co-partners who really did well. And
Yes.
they supported us by getting down off the car.
Yes, we did.
Yeah. So they got off the car at the right time and हम ऊपर की तरफ चढ़ गए. Thank you so much, both of you.
So we are back. We have our toothpaste and food with us. And साथ में कुछ ऐसी यादें हैं जो जीवन भर याद रहेंगी. अभी it's too late and we are already having dinner. And ये काम के चक्कर में और whatever ये याद ही नहीं था कि हम vlog बना रहे हैं. Anyways ये जो थोड़ा बहुत खाना बचा है हमारा, सामने हीटर भी है और हम हैं. ठीक है, चलो बाय बाय. बाकी का खाना खाने के बाद. So now it's time to pamper my skin and उसके बाद हम सीधा चलेंगे सोने. And just before we are about to sleep, हमें ये याद आया कि हमें ये करना है. So basically we have to reschedule our flights. How? So that was a good happening day in my life and hers too. And now, good night. Tata. Bye bye.